This is the substitute song, so Unless It's With You by Christina Aguilera. Never wanted to feel weak in love, give up control. Never wanted to let down my guard, be vulnerable. Never wanted to feel helpless or too comfortable. I make it on my own. Hey, I've been thinking a lot about the way that people change. The most beautiful beginnings can go down in flames. It's inevitable, and that's what's got me so afraid. I'd rather be alone. How do I picket fence, dozen roses in a wedding dress, fairy tales of fake happiness, but here we are and I must confess, I've been over my head, feeling confused, been losing my mind, don't know what to do, 'cause I don't wanna get married, unless it's with you, unless it's with you. You came into my life when I wasn't trying to find anybody to love, hiding what I felt inside. But you opened me up now, I finally realize I'll be your girl for life. Oh, you need a big guardian, 1,000 people we never met. Me, you, and a couple of friends, here we are, and I must confess, oh, yeah, I've been over my head, feeling confused. I'm losing my mind, don't know what to do, 'cause I don't wanna get married, unless it's with you, unless it's with you. And oh, I know that it's scary, but I know that it's true, saying I do, 'cause I don't wanna get married, unless it's with you, unless it's with you. Ha. Beating heart and trembling hands, take me just the way I am, 'cause all that I want was one and the same, for the rest of my days, for the rest of my days. You can ask me in 100 years if I would still be standing here. When we're old and gray, I'd answer the same. Our love will remain. Oh, our love will remain. I was over my head, feeling confused. Ha. Been losing my mind, don't know what to do, 'cause I don't wanna get married, unless it's with you, unless it's with you. And I know it's scary, 'cause I don't wanna get married, unless it's with you, unless it's with you. Hey. Oh, yeah. Unless it's with you, you.